Hi, this is Dave with DRH Acrylic Creations. Today I'm going to be doing a piece I've called Fluid Turbulence. Our color layers are Lamp Black by Amsterdam. This is not my cell activator. Southern Ocean Blue by Matisse. Quinacridone Nickel Azo Gold by Golden. Hammerhead by TLP. And Zeus by TLP. Ball gown is not pictured. If you have any questions or if you missed anything, you can find that down in the description. Okay, let's get you down to the canvas. First down is Lamp Black by Amsterdam. This is an opaque color, meaning that it is not see-through. It's often good to have paints that have lots of shimmer on top of opaque colors. At least that was my goal here. Next is Southern Ocean Blue. This is semi-opaque or semi-translucent. It's actually one of my favorite colors. It has doesn't look like it here, it has a green hue to it when it's stretched out. Next is Ball Gown. When I did this, I failed to put that in the group at the beginning. The Ball Gown is a gold interference color. Next down will be Quinacridone Nickel Azo Gold. This is by Golden. And it just looks orange here, but it has a really very nice gold effect to it. On top of that will be Hammerhead. This is a blue-gray. It's a new color by TLP. On top of that, I put down Zeus, which is their darkest gold. And there's lots of iridescence to this color. All of my pigments, all of my TLP pigments started out as powder, and they were mixed to become a paint. So, cell activators now is titanium white and lamp black. My How-To 101 series will tell you how I mix my paints, how I mix my cell activators, and I think there's also one there now to explain how I resin. We'll do another swipe here. Now, I'm going to do a scoop and drag. Just take some of the colors and scoop them out. Try to add some interest. Enhance what's already there. You notice that I am wiping off my tool on the side of the canvas. All of that will spin off. Stretching out now the cells, and you'll see that in the final product how that came out. And that's the whole point. You want to stretch these cells out, create something that looks great and gives it a little bit of flow. This process takes a little bit of time, but the end result is always worth it. You can see there how the cells stretched out. I think with that, we're about ready for the flyover. Now you get a good chance to see the different colors that are there that were created. You can see the cells and the mixing of colors that it really makes this piece. Once I resin this, you'll see the iridescence in this. If you found this video enjoyable today, I invite you to leave me a like, subscribe if you haven't already done so, and ring the bell for notifications of future videos that I'll put out. It's my goal to put out at least 2 per week, and I hope you're finding them enjoyable and useful. Thanks for being here today. Bye now.